Most people get travel and rewards cards wrong. They chase points without understanding the true benefits. Today, we're looking at the BMO AIR Miles World Elite MasterCard to see if it's worth applying. This card is designed for people who love earning AIR miles while covering everyday expenses. You earn points on groceries, gas, and other purchases, and it also offers travel perks like insurance coverage. Most people get this wrong by assuming all rewards cards are the same, but the details matter. The key features include a welcome bonus of AIR miles, higher point earning rates on selected categories, and comprehensive travel insurance for emergencies abroad. For example, if you spend on groceries or gas regularly, this card can add up quickly. The annual fee is $120, which may seem high, but if you maximize the rewards, it can easily pay for itself. Most people get this wrong by not calculating whether their spending aligns with the bonus categories. They end up paying the fee without earning enough value. One surprising benefit is the travel insurance. It includes trip cancellation, lost luggage, and emergency medical coverage, which can save thousands if something goes wrong while traveling. Not all AIR miles cards include this level of protection. The downsides? If you carry a balance, interest rates are high, and some rewards categories may not match your spending habits. Also, redemption options vary depending on AIR miles partner stores, so flexibility can be limited. In conclusion, the BMO AIR Miles World Elite MasterCard is best for frequent shoppers and travelers who can maximize rewards and use the included insurance. Most people get this wrong by assuming a high annual fee is automatically bad. It's all about how much value you extract. Subscribe for more credit card reviews and tips so you can choose the right card without wasting money.